For decades, drivers have trusted one number, 32 PSI. It's printed on air pumps, repeated at gas stations, and passed around like universal advice. But here's the problem. That number could be slowly destroying your tires, reducing your fuel economy, and even putting your safety at risk without you realizing it. Today, we're breaking down the truth behind tire pressure, the hidden damage caused by using the wrong PSI. And I'll show you exactly how to find the correct pressure for your car in less than 2 minutes. This is one of the simplest maintenance checks you can do, but it makes a massive difference. Section 1. Why 32 PSI is a myth. Let's clear this up right away. There is no universal tire pressure. PSI is just a general number that became popular over time. It doesn't account for your car's weight, suspension design, tire size, or driving conditions. Think about it. Would a small sedan and a heavy SUV really use the exact same pressure? Of course not. Yet thousands of drivers treat 32 PSI like a magic number, and that's where the problems begin. Section 2. The hidden damage. Science explained simply. When your tire pressure is even slightly off, especially too low, your tires don't behave the way they're designed to. Here's what happens. Every time your tire rotates, the sidewalls flex. If the pressure is too low, that flex becomes excessive, and excessive flex creates heat. Not just a little heat, a lot of heat. Over time, that heat breaks down the internal structure of the tire. The rubber weakens, the internal layers start to separate, and the tire becomes more likely to fail. And the scary part? You usually can't see this damage from the outside. Section 3. Warning signs you should never ignore. Even though the internal damage is hidden, your tires will start giving you clues. Watch for these signs: uneven wear, especially on the edges, shoulder wear, reduced fuel efficiency, sluggish or heavy steering, longer stopping distances, tires looking slightly flat at the bottom. Edge wear is one of the biggest red flags. Instead of wearing evenly, the outer edges wear down faster, meaning you lose thousands of miles of tire life. That's money, literally, wearing away on the road. Section 4. Step-by-step, how to set the correct tire pressure. Now, let's fix it properly. Step 1. Go to your driver's door. Open your driver's side door and look for a sticker on the door frame. This is called the Tire and Loading Information Sticker. This is your car's blueprint. Step 2. Read the recommended PSI on that sticker. You'll see the exact PSI recommended for your front and rear tires. This number is carefully chosen by engineers based on your vehicle's design. This is the number you follow, always. Step. Ignore the tire sidewall number. Look at your tire, and you'll see a PSI number printed on it. That is not the recommended pressure. That is the maximum pressure the tire can safely handle. Using that number can make your ride harsh and reduce traction. Step 4. Check pressure. When tires are cold, always check your tire pressure when the tires are cold. That means before driving, or after the car has been sitting for at least 2-3 hours. Driving heats up the air inside the tire, which increases the pressure and gives you an inaccurate reading. Step 5. Use a reliable tire gauge. Don't rely on guessing. Use a good tire pressure gauge, digital or manual, and check each tire one by one. Step 6. Adjust to the correct PSI. Add or release air until each tire matches the recommended PSI on your door sticker. Don't forget to check all 4 tires and your spare tire if you have one. Section 5. Why correct pressure matters. Real benefits. When your tire pressure is correct, everything improves. Better grip on the road, shorter braking distance, longer tire lifespan, improved fuel efficiency, smoother and safer driving experience. Your tires make up a small contact patch, the only part of your car touching the road. If that contact patch is wrong, your control is compromised. So next time you're at a gas station, don't just set your tires to 32 PSI and drive away. Take a few seconds to check your door sticker and follow the number designed specifically for your car. It's a small step, but it protects your tires, improves your safety, and saves you money. Drive smart, stay safe, and take care of your car, because it takes care of you. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple car tips that actually work.